Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the Extrude, Fillet, Mirror, Hold, Chamfer, and Revolve. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and create this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this hexagon. And the distance between this line here and this one is 25 millimeters. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the right plane and go to create, select the polygon, circumscribe the polygon, click here in the midpoint, make a polygon here and go to constraints, select horizontal vertical, select this line and go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines is 25 millimeters. Okay, we needed to extrude this, so finish the sketch and go to extrude. We needed to extrude this 15 millimeters, the distance between this face here and this face here. So the direction, select symmetric, measurement, whole length, and the distance here, 15 millimeters. Operation on new body and press OK. Now in the edges here, we'll make a fillet with 1.5 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here. The radius here 1.5 millimeters and press OK. And now we will create a chamfer here, this chamfer. But to create this chamfer, we will select this face here and we'll make this circle. This circle is this one, okay? We have the same in the both sides. And the distance between this circle and this side here of the polygon is 0.5 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select this face. Select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here, and go to sketch dimension. Click here with the right button and select pick circle arctangent. Select this circle and this edge here. The distance here is 0.5 millimeters and press OK. And now we'll make a cut with a taper angle of 45 degrees. So finish the sketch and go to extrude, select this circle and the distance here minus 20 millimeters and the taper angle 45 degrees. But here the operation will be intersect and press OK. We made this chamfer here. Now we needed to create the same but in this side. So to create this, go to create and select mirror. The object type, select the features. The object, select this extrude. And the mirror plane, select the right plane. And press OK. We made the same in the both sides. And now we will create this hole with thread. And this hole here is M20, 1.5 millimeters. And the dip here is 12 millimeters. So go to hole and select this face. And for reference, select this circle. So it will make this hole in the center of this face. The extent, select the distance. The hole type, simple. The hole tape type, select taped. And the drill point, select flat. The distance here is 12 millimeters. And the size is 20 millimeters. Designation, M20, 1.5 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will create this chamfer here. We have a chamfer here with 1.5 millimeters, this chamfer here, okay? So go to modify and select the chamfer, select this edge here, the distance 1.5 millimeters, and press OK. And now edit this hole, double click here, and here we will select modeled and press OK. We made this one, okay. And now we will select the front plane and make this sketch, and we'll make a project of this body, and we will create this center line with 35 millimeters of length, okay. So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, go to create, project include, project, the selection filter, select the body, select this body here and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. And now select the line, a construction line, click here at this point, make a line here with 35 millimeters of length, okay? And now we will create this line and this line here. The fillets in this sketch we'll make later, okay? And the distance between this line here and the center line is 13.75 over 2. And the distance between this point here and the center line is 17 over 2. So select line, remove the construction line type here, make a line here, and make another one here. Go to sketch dimension, select this line and this one. The distance here is 13.75 over 2. And the distance between this point and this line here is 17 over 2. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here, okay? And now we will create this line here. Or first, let's create this line here for reference, okay? This line here, the distance between this line here and this one is 20 over 2. So select a line, click here in this, make a line here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 20 over 2, 10 millimeters, okay? And now let's create this line. We will create a line here and another line here. And the distance between this line here and this point here is 6.5 millimeters. And this point here is horizontal with this point, okay? So select line, click here, make a line here, sorry. Make a line here and a line here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 6.5 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. And this point and this point here, okay? Now we'll make this more 2 times here. So select a line, make a line here, another line here, okay? And make a line here between this point and this point here, okay? Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this one, this point and this one. Now select this point and this one, this point and this one. And go to constraint, select equal, select this line and this line here, this line and this one, and select this line here and this line here. We made this profile. So finish the sketch. And here, show the body here and go to Revolve. The profile, select this one. And the axis, select this line here. Operation join and press OK. We made this one. And now we will make some fillets here. So the fillet here is 0.5 millimeters. And we have a fillet here. The fillet here we use 0.5 millimeters, okay? So go to fillet, select this edge here, select this one and this one, 0.5 millimeters, and press OK. And now we will make this fillet here. It is a full round fillet. So go to fillet, the type here, select full round fillet, select this face here and press OK. And now to finish this exercise, we need to create a cut here in this face. So go to extrude, rotate this, select this face here, and move this minus 5 millimeters, operation cut, and press OK. Let me make a section analysis here. And that's it. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.